sneakerhead, producer, whatever you want to call me. YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Accomplice, here to give you another sneaker review. Hope everybody's having a good day. Let's get right into it. So for my first unboxing on my channel, we have the Jordan 5 Amarillo College Navy, size 12 personal pair. They retail for $225. These were released sometime in August, I believe. If I am incorrect, please let me know down in the comments. Let's get the shoes. Woo! Fab 5. I wish they had the Michigan branding on there like they had the 12s that released the year before, 2018. Icy blue outsole, navy blue Jumpman. You can see right there, college navy outsole, a little bit more ice down here towards the heel. Yellow in the air bubble. College navy midsole, a little bit of Amarillo with the navy splattered over, as you can see, with the fighter jets or the shark teeth, whichever you prefer, with the navy splattered right over. We got some type of a nubuck, suede type thing going on with these. But they fire though. It's definitely quality. I just personally wish that they had the Michigan branding. That's like my only complaint about this shoe. But other than that, it's quality. We got college navy through your lace holes. We got college navy behind the netting right here. We got your lace lock. I don't know if you can pick it up, but your lace lock has a yellow Jumpman or Amarillo, whatever. The tongue is actually 3M. It has a navy stitched in Jordan. I love the fact that they made the tongue 3M. On the inside, you can see that it's like a jersey material on the sock liner. Upside down on the tongue, it says Inspire. Okay. And on the inside, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it's a yellow. Yeah, it's yellow, and it's a navy blue Jumpman on the inside. I love the Fab 5. I love what MJ stood for. Let me know in the comments, have you guys been enjoying the Last Dance documentary? I'm recording this on a Sunday, so tonight was episodes 8 and 9. So let me know what you think. Yeah, let me actually take both out and set it on top of the box. Clean. Feel me? Let's take a look at everything we need to know about the Michigan 5 since its release in 2018. Take a look over here to StockX. The last size that sold was for $229. And let's take a look and see what it's going for now. Size 4 is going for $476. A 5.5 is going for $587. My personal size is only going for $204. That's under retail. So go ahead and take a good look at those prices. Visit StockX if you need to know more. Typically that's usually like the lowest price or whatever, so it's the most affordable. Oh yep, they came out in July. So yeah, not August, they came out in July 6th. So yeah, that's it for the review. Thank you for coming to my channel. Like, comment, subscribe, and look out for the next vid. Gone.